In this video, we'll show you how to enhance customer support and engagement on your online store by adding a chatbot. Chatbots provide instant assistance to your customers, answering their questions and guiding them through the buying process. So, let's get started. In your Shopify admin, click on Setting, go to the Apps and Sales channels, and click on Shopify App Store. In Shopify App Store, search for a suitable chatbot app. There are many options available, so select the one that fits your needs and budget. Once you've chosen your preferred chatbot app, click Install to add it to your Shopify store. Follow the app's instructions to configure the chatbot settings according to your preferences. Customize the appearance, behavior, and automated responses of your chatbot. Once you've configured the chatbot to your liking, enable it on your store. Choose the location where you want the chatbot widget to appear, such as on specific pages or throughout the entire site. Before going live, thoroughly test the chatbot to ensure it's functioning correctly and providing accurate responses to common customer queries. That's it. You've successfully added a chatbot to your Shopify store. Your customers will now enjoy the convenience of instant support and personalized assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching.